figure it out. Kale, open it up, buddy. Open, buddy. Let Kale help. Oh, look.
What is it? Ouch.
What is it? What is it? Turn it over. What is it? Turn it the other way. Let's see, what is it? You open it. Take the lid off.
What is it? It's from Miss Lori and Uncle Clay.
Candy.
Candy, and what else? More candy, and what else?
Cookies.
Cookies.
Peanuts.
Oh boy, this is so much fun.
Candy corn.
Kale, get in there, get you something.
Kale, what is it, buddy?
Popcorn.
Wow.
Oh boy.
Ooh,
Yummy.
that looks really good. Who wants their first candy corn ever?
Me.
Kale, do you want one? Let's have a candy corn. Here we
Isn't this
go.
fun?
Have a bite and see if you like it. You give one to Kale. You like it?
Can we say thank you to Miss Lori and Uncle Clay?
Thank you, Miss Lori and Uncle Play.
Kale, do you like it? What happened to it? It fell out? Oh, you just part of it? You have to eat the whole thing.
Say thank you,
Thank you.
Kale. Say thank you.
Thank you.
I love you.
Thank you.
Blow kisses. Blow kisses to the camera.
Blow kisses over here.
Blow kisses to mommy.
Ma.
Mwah.
There, can you blow a kiss?
You like that candy?